Hey guys, welcome to my Lifeyt. I'm Dustin.
I'm Richard.
And we're starting on our dirt cheap pile of stuff here. We're going to work on getting this go-kart tore apart. We're going to remove the rear axle because it's all rusted and it's messed up. The whole end of it's missing here. The other end's messed up. We're going to clean the trailer hitch they had hodgepodge down there. And then figure out what we're going to do with it. We're going to clean it up and paint it before we finish it. So we'll just do all that at one time and make her look pretty. So stay tuned. Alright guys, we got her all cleaned up. We're trying to mock it up so that we can get the axle in the right place because we had to move it from where it was originally. Got her front tire sitting on there just so we can get a good stance and see how it's going to look. But that's all we got time for today. So check out in the description for a rear axle kit for go-kart and chain. And we'll see you in the next one. Cut. Thank you. Whatever.